the art of crafting the body of a personal email or letter. Hello learners! Today, we're going to dive deep into the world of personal communication through emails and letters. We're specifically focusing on the most vital part, the body of the message. It's the heart and soul of your communication, where you express your thoughts, share your news, or convey your feelings. So, let's get started. First things first, understanding the purpose of your message is crucial. Are you writing to update a friend about your life? Are you sharing good news or comforting someone in a tough time? Maybe you are thanking someone for a kind act? Each scenario requires a different tone and structure. Your message's purpose will guide the content, tone, and style of your email or letter. Tone is the hidden emotional context in your message. In personal letters or emails, the tone can range from formal to casual, depending on your relationship with the recipient. Always keep the tone consistent throughout your email or letter. For example, a letter to a friend can be casual and use colloquial language, while a letter to an elder relative might require a more respectful and formal tone. When you start writing the body, it's crucial to organize your thoughts logically. You might be conveying a lot of information, and you don't want to confuse your reader. A good approach is to break down your main idea into smaller sections or paragraphs, each one focusing on a particular point. This makes your letter easier to understand and more enjoyable to read. Keep your language clear and concise. You want your reader to understand your message without having to decipher complex sentences or jargon. Avoid unnecessary repetition and stay on topic. Remember, your goal is to communicate effectively, not to show off your vocabulary. While maintaining clarity and conciseness, don't forget to add a personal touch to your message. Use anecdotes, personal experiences, or a joke if suitable. This personal touch makes your letter or email more engaging and relatable, helping to strengthen your relationship with the reader. Finally, be polite and considerate in your words. Respect the reader's feelings and viewpoint, even if you're writing to disagree or express disappointment. Always choose words that convey respect and understanding. That's all for today. Remember, the body of your message is a reflection of your thoughts and feelings. So take your time, choose your words wisely, and most importantly, keep practicing. Good luck with your English language journey, and see you in the next video.